Are you a freelancer who's constantly worried you're undercharging for your work? Do you feel like you're working all the time but your bank account doesn't show it? Hey there, budgeteers. Great to have you back on BudgetBoss. Let's fix that right now with a simple tool I call the Freelancer Rate Formula. Stick around, because this could completely change your business. The core of the formula is incredibly simple. Your rate equals your desired monthly income divided by your billable hours. That's it. It's basic math. But you would be surprised how many freelancers just pick a number out of thin air without doing this calculation. So, first step, decide how much you want to make each month. Is it $3,000, $5,000, $10,000? Next, figure out how many hours you can realistically bill to clients. Be honest here. Don't count the time you spend on admin, marketing, or staring at a blank screen. Only count the hours you're actively working on client projects. Let's say you want to make $5,000 a month and can bill 20 hours a week. That's 80 billable hours a month. 5,000 divided by 80 gives you an hourly rate of $62.50. See? Simple. But wait, we're not done. That $62.50 an hour is just your starting point. You have to account for your business expenses. A lot of freelancers forget this and end up paying for business costs out of their own pocket, which is a huge mistake. Think about it. You have software subscriptions, maybe a co-working space, your internet bill, and most importantly, taxes. You need to set aside at least 20 to 30% of your income for taxes. And what about a buffer? You need savings for slow months, sick days, or vacation time. All of these costs need to be factored into your final rate. So, add up all your monthly expenses, including your tax savings and buffer, and bake them right into your income goal. This ensures your business is actually profitable, not just breaking even. Now, let's take this to the next level with value-based pricing. Stop thinking only about the hours you work and start thinking about the value you deliver. If you're a copywriter and your sales page generates $10,000 in new revenue for your client, is your time only worth $50 an hour? Absolutely not. Your work created immense value, so your price should reflect that. For a project that brings a client $1,000 in value, charging $300 to $500 isn't just fair, it's smart business. This shifts the conversation from how long will it take to what results will I get. Clients who understand value are happy to pay for results. This is how you escape the trap of trading time for money and start building real wealth as a freelancer. Don't be afraid to charge for the transformation you provide. Let's walk through a quick, concrete example. Say your monthly income goal is $3,000. After tracking your time, you realize you can comfortably bill 60 hours a month. So $3,000 divided by 60 hours gives you a base rate of $50 per hour. Now let's add expenses. Let's say your software, subscriptions, and other costs come to $200 a month, and you want to save $800 for taxes. That's $1,000 in expenses. So your new income goal is $4,000. 4,000 divided by 60 hours is about $67 per hour. See how that works? You adjust your rate to cover your costs and hit your profit goal, not the other way around. I know, keeping track of all these numbers, your income goals, rates for different clients, project profitability, it can get overwhelming. That's why having a system is so important. I actually designed the BudgetBoss planner specifically for freelancers to handle this. It has dedicated sections to track your rates, manage clients, and monitor your income goals all in one place. It helps you stay consistent with your pricing and make sure you're always on track to meet your financial targets. It's like having a financial assistant dedicated to your freelance business. If you want to take the guesswork out of your pricing, it's a total game changer. So there you have it. There you have the formula to set your rates with confidence, get paid what you're truly worth, and build a sustainable, scalable freelance business. Stop guessing and start calculating. When you charge your worth, you attract better clients and can do your best work. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more pro tips to level up your freelance career. Thanks for watching, and go get paid.